Okay, perfect. So, how do you guys think you say this? Annabelle, how do you think you say it?
Bird goes home.
How do you say it in French?
Okay.
L'oiseau.
Plus, I want to drink water.
Okay. How do you think you say the second word, Alvin?
Voir.
Say it one more time.
Voir.
Vol, really close. So V-O-L-E, vol. Okay.
Voir.
So l'oiseau vole. What do you guys think this means in English? If you look at the picture. Annabelle, what do you think it means?
A bird goes home.
So you got bird, right? But
Yeah. Goes
right,
home?
the bird that flies. Good. So vol means flying. Okay, so the bird flies. Good. Okay. So I'm gonna read it once, and then you guys are gonna repeat after me. Okay. So l'oiseau vole par-dessus l'arbre. So Annabelle, can you try that one? Just Annabelle, and then you can go Alvin. L'oiseau vole par-dessus l'arbre. Dessus.
The sea.
And what's this word?
Labra.
L'arbre, awesome. Annabelle, what do you think this means? Unmute yourself.
The bird goes to
But remember what this word means, vol.
what?
Remember, what does this word mean, vol? What is the bird doing? What is the bird doing?
Fly.
Right, so the bird flies.
The bird flies
To where?
to
What's in the picture?
Is there a
There is.
the forest?
The tree.
Oh, the tree.
So par-dessus actually means over. So the bird flies over the tree. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next one. So Annabelle, let's try reading this one.
L'oiseau vole par-dessus la
Ferme.
fan.
Perfect. Good job. So, Alvin, this time, what do you think this means?
The bird is flying to is flying to town, a city or something.
Not quite. Annabelle, do you want to try?
The bird is flying to.
Remember, it's not to. What does par-dessus mean? We went over the same thing on the last page. Over.
The bird the bird fly over.
Can you say the bird is what?
The bird fly over the farm?
The farm. Awesome. So the bird flies over the farm. Perfect. Good job. Okay. Alvin, I'm going to read this once, and then you're going to try reading it after me. Okay? So l'oiseau vole par-dessus la ville.
L'oiseau vole par-dessus la ville.
Oh, have you noticed, Alvin? It's the same 4 words every time.
La poule passe.
So, l'oiseau vole par-dessus la ville.
L'oiseau vole par-dessus la ville.
Par-dessus,
Par-dessus la
dessus,
dessus
la
la
ville.
la vie.
Good. So, Alvin, what do you think this means?
The flying bird.
Switch the second and third words order.
The bird flying to village.
Does that grammatically make sense in English?
The bird flies to a village.
Close. It's not to.
Over.
Over, right. So the bird flies over. Ville actually doesn't mean village. It means town. So the bird flies over the town. Okay. So, Annabelle, let's try reading this one. So l'oiseau vole par-dessus la rue. L'oiseau.
L'oiseau vole par-dessus la rue.
La rue. Perfect. Okay. Alvin, let's have you try reading this. Alvin, what do you think this means? What?
The bird flies over a town, a city.
You got the bird flies over, right? But it's not a city or a town. Do you have another guess?
Yeah, flies over buildings.
Not quite.
Wait, let me see.
What's in this picture? What is it flying over?
Houses?
There are houses, but that's not what la rue means. It's actually really close to the English word.
Wait a second. What word is it close to?
I can't tell you because that's what it means. So I'll give you a hint. It's a really long thing in this picture. La rue.
Road?
Road, right.